Good evening, friends. Another important change where registration can be cancelled in certain cases. Under Rule 21 of CGST Rules 2017. The changes are being introduced by notification number 94/2020, Central Taxes, dated 22nd December 2020. Now, under Rule 21, which is now amended by this notification, there were 4 cases, and these 4 cases are resulting into that registration of any person can be cancelled by the proper officer. First situation was that such person is not conducting any business which is being declared as a principal place of business. Second, such person issuing invoice or relevant document without supply of goods or services or both, which is in contravention of CGST Act and rules made thereunder. Third, violating anti-profiteering provision under section 171 of CGST Act, violating rule 10A, which is furnishing of bank details as per CGST rule 2017. So these were 4 cases which are resulting into that your registration can be cancelled by the proper officer. Now 3 more got added by way of amendment in Rule 21. Clause E now saying, if you are availing credit in contravention of section 16 of CGST Act and rules made thereunder. So, if you are availing credit and not satisfying the condition, like there are 4 conditions for availing credit under section 16 subsection 2. Being recipient, you should have tax invoice, you must have received goods and services, your supplier must have paid taxes, and being recipient, you are filing regularly your GST return. So credit availed in violation of section 16 is one of the conditions now for cancellation of registration by the proper officer. Next, if you are declaring your outward supply in GSTR1 and which is in excess for one or more tax period comparing the outward supply in GSTR3B, meaning thereby you're declaring 1 lakh rupees in your GSTR1, let's say for any particular tax period November, but declaring 50,000 rupees in GSTR3B as your outward supply. So such excess declaration in GSTR1 versus GSTR3B for any 1 or more tax period liable and be a reason for cancellation of registration. Or there is violation of new rule 86B, and 86B is putting a restriction on use of input tax credit which is shown in your e-credit ledger. You can watch my other video on this rule 86B, which is going to be inserted from 1st of January 2021. So 3 more conditions got added in Rule 21 in addition to the 4 other conditions, and these conditions are resulting into that a proper officer can initiate cancellation of registration. So these are the amended provision now applicable from 22nd December 2020. More and more restriction, more and more provisions are getting stringent for the compliance, and these provisions are made applicable as if today it is applicable. So be careful, comply with the provision, and take care that you are GST compliant under the GST law. We understand that these provisions are meant to check and safeguard against tax evasion, but these stringent provisions are, in my humble opinion, creating little complication whenever we see bona fide and honest taxpayer. My only humble submission that tax officer must initiate such cancellation only when they feel that there is genuine case for the cancellation. That would be my submission. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.